So, there are no more dances in college. This is our last one. You know, David, he has a terrific theater if you're still into acting. Are you?
I'm probably not good at acting. Why don't I look like the girls from the magazines?
You know, it's too bad that I can't meet this Mark that you are going to the prom.
Well, he's not my boyfriend anymore. Maybe he never even was.
No, but still, I would like to meet him.
This is too tight.
Well, I told you not to have that second eating of pasta.
Mom,
What, honey? You seem disappointed. I'm just trying to help you.
you're getting me an eating disorder. I wish I had an eating disorder. But I still like this.
Don't you think it's too flowerish? What?
Why can't you say I look nice?
Because I never think that you care about what I think.
But I still want you to say that I look good.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay? I was just telling you the truth. But, do you prefer me to lie to you?
No. I mean, I wish you liked me.
But of course I love you.
But do you like me?
I just want you to be the best version of yourself that you can be.
What if this is the best version?